Right, I need to get a suit, an evening suit for a couple of dudes I'm going to while I'm here. So I've done a little bit of homework and gone to various tailors around, and I've chosen this tailor, which is Next Fashion Custom Tailors. He's going to make me a tuxedo suit for my events, and I'm just going in to get measured.
Silk.
Thai silk.
High silk.
No, I like this one. This one has got a little bit of
That was cashmere wool.
was it cashmere what?
Cashmere wool.
Cashmere wool. Right, and lapels
In this one.
black.
Yes.
Of course it's going to be black,
And that is,
not red.
and
That's
this
it,
is,
that's what I'm after.
This is black. This is black. Black. The
Alright, so this
button same from desert material.
same as this,
Yes.
the black silk.
Oh, yes, we make button from this also. But sir, I have to be ask you, do you like this one or no?
No, two pocket.
No.
Two pocket.
That pocket and this pocket.
Yeah, just two
And
pocket.
have this piping.
Yeah,
here.
piping on the top.
And piping on the pocket.
And piping on
Have to
trousers,
be-
yeah. Right, so we've got the material, we've got the piping. What about lining?
Lining, 1 minute, sir. That is I am talking about. We have many lining, you can have any one. These, that, as well. We have Boss versus Armani also. This is a nice one, I'll show you.
That one, what's that black?
That one, a small flower.
Small flower.
And this one, a flower. Is this shiny a lot? It looks nice.
What's he got up here? Oh, look.
I'll show you that one also. Sir, if you want another color, you can do. Some people like another color, can do. If you want black,
It's a little bit more just than coming in and picking a suit, and it's
plain.
I want to play. Yeah, let's have a look at that. The black.
So black plain lining.
Oh, no. I want something.
Go this one, looks nice. This is the single part. You can see. And this is burning, sir.
Yeah, it comes out. I like that one. Yeah. No, I like that one.
This one,
So I
right?
think we got the material there, which is a.
Sir, you cannot find
Cashmere.
out that material because I have it about a week ago.
All right. Okay.
Material I have, sir. This all the behind suit material.
What about shirt?
Shirt white,
White shirt, plain white.
plain white, but
But
this
no, I want a plain collar,
yes,
cutaway collar,
yes, cover
like
color.
Italian collar.
Yes.
I think you call it Italian collar.
Pocket or no pocket?
No pocket.
No pocket. Look the white shirt, sir. This is a white pure cotton Egyptian.
Yeah,
This is pure cotton Egyptian, but have some line inside.
line. Yeah.
And that is silk. Look inside. So which one you like? Egyptian cotton. That is regular cotton. That is silk. You can have any.
Yeah, that's got a little bit of pattern to it, hasn't it?
Yes, this is
Slight
little bit
pattern.
cotton, matching good with your suit.
Yeah.
So careful.
Yeah, that's right. No problem. Yeah, do this one.
This one. And sir, pant. How many pocket do you like in the back?
Just one.
Oh, never.
What's the number for?
So this is the material grade.
Grade.
Yes.
What's the best grade?
100, 120, 150. Less grade. This is the company name Italiano.
So yeah, Italian. Yeah, and it's cashmere.
This color never go, never wrinkle, sir.
No.
Never buy 200 more than 200 grade. Never buy, sir. The suit is.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. up my appetite.